6 Lima right crossing at the basin's approved, runway 16 right, clear for takeoff.
16 right, clear for takeoff. 16 Lima.
16 right, clear for takeoff, 5216 Lima. Gotta hold that button in all the way.
Okay.
Alright, lights, camera, action, all that's good. I don't see anybody on final. Go ahead and taxi on out to the runway, no more brakes. You might need it at the very end.
Number 3 follows Cirrus on base, runway 16 left, clear for the option.
Number 3 following the Cirrus and runway 16 left.
The wind's blowing this way, right? So
blowing this way, so into the wind.
Okay.
Number 2, Quebec, I missed it when you checked in.
Alright, no more brakes. Nice and lined up. Slowly bring that power in.
Full power.
Alright, power set. Everything's in the green. Our airspeed's alive.
A nice tower, traffic watch 737.
And slowly take those crosswinds out and rotate at 50.
Number 737 Delta Whiskey, Van Nuys, tower squawk 0206, make straight in, runway 16 right.
Good, we're going to climb out at 62 knots.
Whiskey.
10 Golf, where are you parking?
We're going to go back for departure, 10 Golf.
10 Golf, roger, left turn there, contact ground 121.7.
Ground on 217, 10 Golf.
This is our traffic off the left wing for 467.
467, yep, that's who you're following, Cirrus short final.
Good, tracking straight ahead.
Oh, we're going VX or VY?
62 VY.
Alright. Whoa.
Alright, we're at a safe altitude. If we're over 60 knots, we can take out the 10 degrees.
Okay.
Yeah, a little bit more left. We're getting blown to the right just a bit. Now we can do a cruise climb between 65 and 75 miles an hour, or knots, sorry. Alright, whenever you feel like we're on our heading, we're on our altitude, you're doing about 85 knots.
Flexia 594, man.
And you're trimmed out, then we can roll into the maneuver.
Rose, climb and maintain 7,000.
Alright, I want to do it now.
Heading 270 on climb to 7,000, which you're finding for.
Flexia 594, contact approach 128.75.
128.75, which you're finding for. Good day.
Cessna November Delta, turn left heading 340.
3408, November Delta.
Oh, jeez. That good?
Yep, you're holding 45. And right about now, start rolling it out. And just don't let that nose come up, or down, sorry.
Don't let it, okay.
You want to stay at 45, right?
Yeah.
Alright, whenever you're ready, let's do another one to the right.
Alright.
Feel it clear on my side. Whenever you're stable.